Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block Adobe Photoshop internet connections. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to block your internet connectivity on your Photoshop app only, well, this one is pretty easy. What do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and access your firewall. So you want to go to your search bar at the very bottom here and just basically type in the following. It's going to be Windows Firewall, and you want to look for one that says Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. So you want to go and just click on it. Now, what we need to do next here is you want to go and select inbound rules first. Go ahead and just click on it, and you want to go and click on new rule. And in here, you want to go and click on custom, click on next. So you want to go and just choose the option for this program path. So again, by the way, alternatively, you can choose program here. And from here, you can go and just choose this program path here. Click on browse. And from here, you want to look for Adobe Photoshop. Now, by the way, if you don't see this, you want to go to the C drive, go to program files, go to Adobe, look for Adobe Photoshop 2023 or whichever version you currently have. You want to just select, you want to go and just select Photoshop.exe, click on open, click on next, and you want to go and click on block connection, click on X, and you want to make sure that you select the following here. Now, once everything's selected, you can go and just click on next, and you could go and just basically add a name for it. So I'm going to say 2023, and just click on finish. Next thing that you want to do is you want to go to outbound rules here, click on new rule here, and from here you want to go and choose program again, click on next, click on the browse option again, and you want to again find Adobe Photoshop. Let's go and select this one, click on open, click on next here, click on block connection again, and just make sure domain private and public is selected, click on next, and just again add a name for it, so whatever name that actually you could actually easily identify. Let's go click on finish, and once you've done that, it should block any interconnectivity on Photoshop here, and that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.